Which is
How can we develop that same heart that poets like Kabir have for you? How can we develop the same heart that these great poets have?
same heart as what?
Kabir, the poet Kabir.
Why not? See the handicap of Kabir. You have no handicaps. Kabir had no mother to tell him, no mother to love him, to look after him and tell him all these things. He had a guru. If you know Kabir's life, Kabir wanted to become the disciple of Ramananda Swami. But he was a Muslim or low caste or whatever it is. So he could not reach Ramananda Swami. The disciples would not allow him to go near Ramananda Swami. So one day Kabira went and slept on the steps of the river Ganges whole night in the cold, waiting for Ramananda Swami to come, because he used to always pass the same way. And his feet fell on Kabira. And he said, "Oh my child, what are you doing here?" So Kabira got up and he said, "Sir, you have accepted me as your disciple today." He said, "Yes, I have." And then Ramananda Swami took him and he trained him into something great. You don't have these handicaps. Kabira never had anybody to support him or help him around. Actually, single-handed, he fought the whole world. Horrible people were around him. Even today, those who are in his place, in Patna, and all places where he lived, I was surprised that he described Kundalini as Surati, and they described tobacco as Surati. Such horrible, nonsensical people making fun of everything. There Kabira lived and developed that heart. You don't have all these handicaps at all. You all speak the same language, you live with the same ideas, you have your own mother to tell you everything, so you can develop the same heart as Kabira had. Indian music comes from complete divinity, because even if you don't understand the different ragas, how you are enjoying it is said in the last bhajan of Kabira. He said, listening and listening to this, I just got lost into it. Without thinking, without knowing about the different ragas, but just I got lost in the thoughtless awareness in the Nirvichar Samadhi. Then he says that I got my Samadhi at the lotus feet of my Guru. And the second point he says very good, that at the essence of the Omkara, essence of Omkara, I made a little string and I crossed the Hamsa Chakra and crossed the ocean of illusion. And the third one is even much more explicit, that the Sahasrara, the Brahmarandra, where the fontanel bone is, just opened out and the joy started pouring like a frill over my head and I got lost into it. I mean, what a description, a beautiful description of Kabira he did. And before that, the one he sang, the song was about how Kabira has made fun of human beings who are so much attached to things and to their relationships and to other possessions of life. So he says that there is a cheat, a thug or a cheat who has taken away, has looted everything from me. That is death. So this fellow who was so much attached to everything is now saying that it has taken away everything that I had, and this is the time when the Yama, you know Yama, he is sitting on my bed. And here I am crying my eyes are filled with tears. I mean, such a situation is there. And then he doesn't know how to give up things. And he says that ultimately he reaches a point where he says that, he said, and then he said ultimately that now my relationship at this death time is all these identification and misidentifications are dropped out. So why wait for the death, you see? Why not get it done now with your realization? This is the point he's trying to make. So beautifully sung and so lilting and so touching.
Kabir was the great poet, saint, and weaver of medieval India.
Sahib ji, wah wah. Sahib ji, wah wah. ख्याल तुम्हारा साहिब जी वाह वाह, खूब ख्याल तुम्हारा साहिब जी वाह वाह, खूब ख्याल तुम्हारा साहिब जी वाह वाह। साहिब जी वाह वाह, साहिब जी वाह वाह, साहिब जी वाह वाह, साहिब जी वाह वाह, खूब ख्याल तुम्हारा साहिब जी वाह वाह, खूब ख्याल तुम्हारा साहिब जी वाह वाह। वाह 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 वाह। कहत कबीरा सुनो भाई साधो, सुनो भाई साधो 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 साधो। कहत कबीरा सुन भाई साधो ये पद है निर्वाण रे, कहत कबीरा सुन भाई साधो ये पद है निर्वाण रे, कहत कबीरा सुन भाई साधो ये पद है निर्वाण रे, कहत कबीरा सुन भाई साधो ये कबीरा 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 सुन भाई साधो ये पद है निर्वाण रे, कहत कबीरा सुन भाई साधो ये पद है निर्वाण रे, कहत कबीरा सुन भाई साधो ये पद है निर्वाण। कबीरा 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 कबीरा।
Kabira, who has sung, because he was a weaver and he used to put color on all the cloth and all kinds of things. So he's always used similes which were connected with his profession. So he says that, this one is, they have changed it, but he said that, make my
Chadariya Genie re Genie.
My Genie
means color.
Color. My Chadariya.
Chadariya is the sheet.
My sheet, the sheet that I am covering, that means this body, is you better color it, Genie re Genie.
Ram Naam.
It's a Ram Nama.
In the Ram
Nama.
Nama.
Cover it. But it means it should be colored with that Ram Nama. So now they have made it differently of the same one.
हाँ रे चदरिया ओ रे चदरिया रे चदरिया ओ रे चदरिया रे चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी दास कबीर ने ऐसी ओढ़ी ज्यों की त्यों धर दीनी चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी 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 राम नाम के राम नाम के राम नाम के राम नाम के राम नाम रस दीनी चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी 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 राम नाम रस दीनी चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी रे झीनी रे
रंग महल के 10 दरवाजे रंग महल के रंग महल के 10 दरवाजे न जाने न जाने न जाने कौन सी खिड़की खुली थी रामा न जाने कौन सी खिड़की खुली थी रामा न जाने कौन सी खिड़की खुली थी रामा